Yeah. Started with a plan and a blank screen. Turn it to a blueprint for the whole team. Everyday people, big league dream. Yeah. Log in, light up, data in my face, no love. I can see the story in the lines. Every candle talking about decline. Clarity, cut through the noise to me. Dashboard steady, hard on knees. I ain't guessing I got keys. Rob at the vision like why not them? Why can't I nurse straight like a top 10? Why can't a kid from a small town win? Give him the tools and watch him begin. Wealth charts, I'm reading my future in the sparks. Simplicity guiding me through the dark. Building it brick by brick, day by day. Yeah, we move with purpose and precision in our way. Modern minds making freedom from the way. Brought you the map, now we chart our own page. Wealth charts, everyday people on their way. Numbers on the screen, but I see time. Minutes in the miles on the same grind. Smart tech turn it into past. Risk in my hand, I can do the math. Split my screen, got my goals in view. Red, green, off, eating what I do. No more fear when the trend pulls back. I got rules, I don't gotta react. He built a lane for the rest of us. Trust in the system built on trust. Teacher and a trader, that's a double edge. Cutting out the doubt, putting hope in the web charts. I'm reading my future in the sparks. Simplicity guiding me through the dark. Building it brick by brick, day by day. Yeah, we move with purpose and precision in our way. Modern minds making freedom from the way. Robbed you the map, now we chart our own page. Well charts, everyday people on their way. Zoom out, I can see the life I pick. Zoom in, every level, every tick. One screen, but it's bigger than a trade. It's a promise to myself I'm gonna stay. Well chart, I'm reading my future in the sparks. Simplicity guiding me through the dark. Building it brick by brick, day by day. Yeah, we move with purpose and precision in our way. Modern minds making freedom from the waves. Brought you the map, now we chart our own page. Well charts, everyday people on their way. Everyday people on their way. Everyday people on their way.
Yeah, we call it the quick and flip. Might see a move come your way, then dip. Oh, quick and flip. A move come your way, then dip. But once you catch the flip, then it goes up quick. So we bank on the move. Bank, 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 bank on the move. Bank, 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 bank on the move. You gotta wait for the candle to close. The first move is not always the real move. You gotta wait for the candle to close. The first move is not always the real move. But once you catch the flip, then it goes up quick.
So we bank on the move. Bank, 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 bank,
Resin, trader for. He can see the future of futures. Charts in his head like rumors. Worldwide map on the MacBook. Whole plan laid out, one look. Straight to fun, that's gospel. Cut the weight when colossal. Prop game flipped in a week. He turned proof in a peak. Yeah, red symbol, future of futures. Yeah, yeah. Turn one trade to a move. Yeah. Straight to fun, that's the blueprint. Turn one mind to a unit. Worldwide, he see the growth coming. Whole globe on a rich budget. Red symbol, future of futures. Easy doors where they see shutters. Trade if I tag on the login. Whole squad they locked in. Took a little edge, made options. Took one city, went global, no stopping. He don't chase these positions. Plays the wave, not conditions. When he talk, reads the scripture. Holding the world in a picture. Red symbol, future of futures. Turn one trade to a move. Straight to fund it, that's the blueprint. Turn one mind to a unit. Worldwide, he see the growth coming. Whole globe on a rich budget. Red symbol, future of futures. Easy doors where they see shutters. From the crib to the skyline. Easy growth in a flat line. What's a wall to a timeline? He already passed that sign. Red symbol, future of futures. Turn one trade to a movement. Straight to fund it, that's the blueprint. Turn one mind to a unit. Worldwide, easy the growth coming. Whole globe on a rich budget. Red symbol, future of futures. Easy doors where they see shutters.
Jaw set, eyes up, wrist slow.
Muscle in the mirror, thunder in my chest. Every scar story, every loss a dead.
Short fuse, tall odds, whole room feels small. Steel in my veins, I'm built for the fall. Pressure on my neck, still walking tall. Bottom of the mountain, I'm laughing at the drop. Heartbeat hammering, I never ever stop. Go long from the bottom to the top. Go long, every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 cut the doubt off. Watch it drop, bank on chop. Yeah, you know I'm all I got. Go long when the red line says to stop. Go long till the last breath, last. Chop, 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 rhythm in my blood, it knocks. Bank on chop, I'm the blade that never drops. Grind lines, deep cuts, sweat falls, no luck. Jawline concrete, back straight, locked in. The world tries to fold me, I just dig in, weight on my shoulders. Turn it into stars. Every hit I'm taking only sharpens up the rock. Go long from the bottom to the top. Go long, every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 cut the fear off, let it chop. Bank on chop, put it all up in the shot. Go long when the red light says to stop. Go long, hear the echo when I drop. Chop, 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 step by step I never stop. Bank on chop, cause I'll always beat the clock. Shot at the top, long at the base. But from the grind, not a pretty face. Short at the top, long where it counts. Stacking that strength, add it up, it mounts. Hey! Go long
Yeah. 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 She was trading gold for a decade or so, and it's heavy to hold, but she carries a load. Can't compare to the gold, it's incomparable. They say everything gold, but I'm checking the code. Every single investment I get in my zone, but they never the best, it ain't ever the most. Her level of flexing, she never opposed. Never the type to be shy, never the type to get goals. In her zone, she's so cold. I try to win her heart, but I know it's already sold. And she don't got the time for somebody she can't control. And I can't waste my life on somebody I can't console, but I'm holding on to hope. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, the gold queen, I said the gold queen. Yeah, I felt for the first time I heard the phone ring. The day she said she met a man who tried to sell her a dream. And she said, no thanks, I got enough already, but you get in my team. She's traveled the world and made a living off of any place with Wi-Fi and electricity. She's still getting money if it's connected to the city. And still no man in her life that can keep her in life. And it's worthy of a legend in the making. A woman who can live a whole life off of trading. They called her Jane, she was born in the 80s. But there's no way I could put my heart on the line. A woman with the confidence to look in my eyes and tell me she could change my life if I give her my time. And there's no man on this planet who would try and let it slip out of his fingers in the night. And I'm proud of a woman with a brilliant mind. And I was lucky enough to call her mine for one night. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. I mean, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm down to do the right thing. Gold queen.
Stop loss, like I said, for me is going to be at 920. First trim is going to be 85, and then I'm just going to let runners run, and then I will potentially scale in if we get enough continuation on the pivot level here set up. So I want it to break here, trim around right here. If we get a strong enough continuation, I'll just scale in.
Here it is at 14 again.
Get out.
Just like the 14, so I'm getting in that.
I'm gonna wait for another good setup.
I already got my freaking 10 points on the pull up to 7. There we go. Yeah, I'm out. Got my 10 points at 27. Holy crap. This thing could start going. Ooh, this could retest 54. 14 is the stomping ground, basically.
I don't know why it whipped up like that. It should not have whipped up like that. It's fucking broke.
The 5 minute is still uptrending. It looks like it bounced right at like that area where it flipped to before at 86. If this thing rips through 41, we could see a retest of 54. But 14 is that stomping ground for me. Look at the 14 area is kind of like the midpoint. Everything good. YouTube is up. Join the conversation to interact. Why won't the chat? Why won't my chat open up? Oh, there we go. That's why. There's the chat. All right, what's up, everybody?
All right. Shit. Let's start the production. Let's start it. Welcome everybody to the Power Hour special featuring myself, Logan, the CSO, and Hobby the Maestro. It is Friday the 13th.
What up?
I'm not a conspiracy guy, so whatever. 2:47 p.m. last hour and last day of the market. Yeah. So, Hobby, how you doing, brother?
Pretty damn good, bro. Pretty damn good. Had a pretty nice Friday so far. Had a nice session with my students as well. And watching right now, this thing has slowly been downtrending on the one at least. Slowly. So 914 is that area I'm looking at again. And if it breaks 914, I want to see it break 910, then 99. And 914 is currently the midpoint for this to bounce. So it looks like that was a weak bounce. It's looking good again, potentially, but nope. Still kind of holding on to that 14 area right now. The Dom is giving me reaction here.
This is that short that it was supposed to happen when it pulled up.
No, this is bouncing currently right now. The Dom's reacting a little bit in that 914 area. I got a level at 1050. So I want to see that break through and start going down. If it does, I mean, it could hold and go up too. So, but I'm watching my Dom. There's 14 right now. The Dom is not reacting. So that looks like a weak spot. Now if we can break through 910. Oh, Dom is going nuts there. Yep, Dom is going nuts right here. So it wants to hold that 910 area. Right, bounce right off that 910. Ooh, Dom's spiking. So current range for me would be between 934, the midpoint literally being like 15, 10. I mean, 10 is not really a midpoint. It's now stuck in a range. Yep. So we caught that nice little early drop right before the power hour officially started. So YouTube gang, guys haven't joined the Discord, join the Discord. Let's see. Past that one. Let's go Tradeify TDY. All right, here's 910. It's ripping right below it. I want to see candle closure. No candle closure, no play. Look at that rip right up. Ooh, closed right above it. Yep, this is ranging right now, y'all. Got that nice little initial drop, and that was it. Now we're in a range. Range. How was your day today, man?
It was all right. I didn't really trade much this morning.
Yeah, I didn't trade a whole lot either. I'm right with you.
I was taking care of a bunch of shit. I didn't really focus on today. After news, I was like,
Oh, yeah. How'd that news trade go for you? Guys caught a banger?
Nothing presented. Nothing really presented. Everything.
Oh, no?
Yeah, nothing really presented. It was like,
oh, okay.
There was no continuation. It was just a print, and then that was it. So it's like usually, yeah, I'm not going to give up too much sauce, but there just wasn't really anything going on.
There she goes. Candle closing. There goes. Candle closed.
I'm jumping in the short again.
Yep. I want to see. Yeah, I mean, I'm going to enter light here, but I want to see if it'll push up to test a little bit above But if it goes, it goes. I'm good with what I got right now.
I'm jumping in the short again.
Up there goes. There goes. Let's go hold underneath 90 next. Next 90. Get a nice break under 90. We could get a good move down to potentially the 50s. Let me see if I have anything else holding it. I have 80, 90,
going with,
83. It's like a stepping ladder down.
I'm going with a higher ATR on this setup.
All right, there's a little retest up here that was looking at 906. These are going to be like a slow bleed down. It could get choppy. It'll like bounce around, I think.
It's going to drop, and so I'm just increasing my setup a little bit, but the drop is going to be good. I think I might be good anyway.
Ooh,
I set myself up for a high ATR move, so I'm looking for a minimum of 30 points.
That's a good move.
I'm looking for a minimum of 30 points here.
No bleed, I think. Need to see 90 break next. Need to see 90 break and hold next.
So my first PT here is going to be around 65.
NQ is showing a little bit of strength versus SPX. SPX making a new low. NQ is just hanging out. I want to see 90 give out.
First PT is going to be 65 here.
SPX. I want to be careful because SPX is approaching orb and this level at 846.91. So let's see if NQ can start pushing down below 90. Looks like it's holding on to 90 right now.
Yeah, we're about to have a dump. We're about to have a dump.
See it.
I'm adding
I want to see it.
cons. I'm adding cons to this.
See that 90 break, and we're going to get a good drop. Go, come on.
Here we go.
Yeah, NQ does not want to give up that 90 right now. So I am being a little cautious as well with my runners. I want to see it stay below 906.25 if it does pull up there. Dom's going nuts right here. Dom is going nuts. Yeah, there it goes. Nice rejection.
Right.
Nice rejection on that 906.25, like almost on the money, but it needs to stay below. This 1 minute candle needs to stay well below it. Very nice retest.
65 is what I'm aiming for. Stop loss is going to be 25.
90 and 40 and 906 right now is where it's bouncing back and forth. The Dom is going nuts on both sides. Holy crap, the Dom is going nuts right now. If this closes above 900, this might push above 906 here. It's going to get really tight. It's going to get really tight now. There you go. Reject it again. I want to see it break under 9 and stay down there, but this is getting really tight. Literally a 10-point spot right now. 96 and 906 is what I got. Yeah, there goes 90. There goes 906. I need to see it stay below it. Come on.
Let it play out. I got TP, stop loss, auto trail. So now I just sit here and I let the trade do its work. Win or lose, let it play out.
Yeah. One side's going to give 906 or 96 has to give. And then obviously that 90 that held. But if this 96 breaks, we might have that potential go for 90 again. It's holding on to. There you go. Come on. Now stay below it.
Logan, what criteria do you use for your auto trail? ATR. My auto trail is based on the ATR.
Yeah. Come on.
A lot of failed bullish wicks. A lot of failed bullish wicks.
Come on. Yes. Now break 90 next. There you go. Break 90 next.
Yep. Here we go.
Come on. It's getting
first
the
target's-
Dom's going nuts down here.
Yep. We pop under
What's your first
this.
target?
First target's going to be 65.
Let's go. Let's
For
do
a
it.
minimum of a 30-point move, and I'm going to trim, and then I'm going to trail.
Oh man, it keeps holding on to that 90 for dear life. The candle needs to close below it.
5-minute pivot level right here on the 68.
Come on.
15-minute time frame
One.
pointing down. 5-minute time frame pointing
Come
down.
on,
Everything's
that's a
pointing down,
tip.
guys.
Yeah, everything is
Everything's
pointing down. That barely closed below it. Barely closed below it. Come on, get violent. I want to see it get violent. There it goes. It's kind of getting violent. It's getting very wicky down here at 83. Like the Dom's
Here we
going
go.
bonkers.
What time is it? It's about to be 3 o'clock. All right, holding it.
Come on.
There we go. We're up
I
10
want to see
points.
80 and a quarter. I'm going for like
it.
there it goes.
15
Beautiful. Yeah,
points.
got
Holding
there you
it.
go.
There's 20 points. There we
There
go.
you go.
And TP hit. Now we're
There you go.
trailing.
Beautiful.
Contracts running.
There's
just
that
like
50,
that.
54.
There's 34 points. There's 40 points. Just hold it. Just let it run.
Boom, there's
Told you guys.
54. I'm out here.
Let it
54 hit. I'm done.
Let it run. I've got contracts
That
rolling.
looks weak. It could keep
Contracts
going.
profit. Let it run.
I could absolutely keep going. I hit 54. That was my TP. I'm okay with that.
I've split up my contracts. I went in a little heavier because I knew it was going to dump. So I've split up separate ATM settings. Students of mine were using the 30 ATR. If you guys know what I'm talking about. So I split up my contracts pretty big, expecting a pretty big continuation down.
That was
So
the
you know what I'm
initial.
talking about. That's why we went for the 30s. And so I'm just going to hold this, guys. I think that we're going to get the high of orb, which is around 800. So we're looking at about a 100-point trade right now. And I'm just going to hold it. I'm going to let it play out. It's all automated now from here. So I can walk away. I can go make some more food. And it's just going to continue moving with my ATM settings. No stress, no emotions. Let the trade play out. And we're it. That's it for the power hour. And I'm letting it run. Good work, team. Good shit, Hobby. Easy money.
Good shit, brother. Easy money, dude. 50-point play right off the bat. There's break of 54. Oh, it's
There you
getting
go.
wild down here. Oh, man. I'm kind of tempted to potentially scalp if it gets down to 34. Oh, nope. It's already going. It's already going. It's already
I
going.
just trimmed
Already
out some
caught
of
me
my
down right there.
contracts there.
Look at that. Look at that level hold right there, 54, right? I already scalped. I'm up $800 now on just that scalp of 54. Got my runners running.
Logan, does your
The
trail
Dom's
run
starting to go
forever?
nuts down there.
No, the trail can't run forever because if it shoots up 100 points, it's going to knock out my trails. But it
There we
depends on where I
go.
set up my trails. Hey, Logan. Good shit, Safa. Holy shit, dude. 16K. Good work, my boy.
I caught a quick 15-point pop right there. I'm happy with that too.
I actually didn't see there is a scale in opportunity, but I'm going to let it run still. I've trimmed out a good amount of my contracts, and I'm moving all my contracts now are about 15 points in profit, and I'm just going to leave it there and let it continue to trail. But if we pop back down to a new lower low, I'm going to scale in.
Yeah, my runner's running from that bounce. Oh my God, my runner's running. I'm up 20 points on that 54 bounce right now. I got in at 51, but I'm up 20 points right now. But if this gets below 60, I will be out of it. My runner is running. My runner is running.
So I don't know what Javi's
Oh my
confluences
gosh.
were.
Quantum level.
Yeah, Javi had
Quantum levels
quantum
for me.
level. And
Oh
then
my
for
God,
me,
dude. Anybody cash at 30 points on that long, guys. 30 points on that long right now. And anybody get in with this? I'm up 820 right now. I'm out right there. I'm happy with that.
Yep. I got out of my short. I collected.
Let's go,
Somehow
guys.
one of mine got set up, but I'm at 3, 6, 4, 8, 12, 1,200. I'm up $2,100 on the power hour. $2,000 on the power hour. With the 50-point dump, Hobby called the 40-point long. This is what we do. Very easy, guys.
Yeah.
My
we started that
confluence is
short
based
entry.
off of a little bit of market structure and pivot levels. Combination of the two, pure break, dump, continuation. Everything was pointing south. That at all 5-minute, 15-minute time frame, everything was pointing that it wanted to continue down. ATR was decent, so I expected a decent sized move, and we had no real resistance for quite some time. So it's kind of like the trade I took yesterday when I was like full port and just ran with it.
Yep. My confluences, I had
Day
that.
for the day, biggest day ever. And guys, Safa is no longer Ukraine. He's no longer in Ukraine, and he just had his biggest day.
Congratulations.
Shout out to our boy Safa.
Yep. And then for me, my confluences were very simple. Quantum level formed at 906. I had a candle and level that formed at 910. So that's why I was waiting for that break of 910. And then after that, it was just to the races. And then that 54 bounce was literally a 5-minute level at 54 that barely broke by a quarter. I liked the Dom reaction. I went in and it took off to the races. To the freaking races. So we began that short entry way up top. That was a hell of a play, y'all. Hell of a play.
Easy, good way to
See
end
what
the
happens
Friday.
when both of our shit lines up, guys? Like, easy fucking money. This is why we do what we do.
Eval pass. Good job, Bravo. Good for the day. Thanks, Power Hours. Yep, no problem. Back off. Hell of a trade. No
And you
problem.
guys
Fighting.
mentioned if it's long or short before. I swear I didn't hear long. I thought I short and it. What? Dude. Oh,
Yeah, don't even
Coochie
entertain that. Don't even entertain that
or
because
Coco Chini.
we
Yeah,
couldn't have
yeah.
couldn't have said.
We couldn't have been more clear.
Literally,
Literally.
I literally said over and over again, I'm going to short, I'm going to short, I'm going to short. I'm going to scale
Yeah.
in. When it breaks here, we're good. I'm going to short. And then Javi goes, all right, I'm going to take the long. I'm going long.
I said
Whatever.
54. Yeah, 54 looks
Right.
good for a bounce. Ugh, whatever. Whatever. You know what? This ain't financial advice anyway, y'all. You guys,
Yeah. Everything we do is for
don't
entertainment
listen.
purposes only.
We're doing entertainment purposes only. Exactly. You know, you guys do you. We do us.
I actually don't think I could have been more clear. If it
Us.
goes here, I'm going short. Actually, I'm going to scale in. Okay, I'm short now. Yeah, exactly. Intrepid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I kept saying I want to see it retest and reject 906 and a quarter. Like it retested 906 and a quarter 4 freaking times. 4. It kept rejecting over and over and over again. I literally played that like 3 times and then caught that dump.
How is PHP in Asia session? It's good. It's good. It works in all sessions. I'm actually going to do a PHP class Sunday after happy hour. I'm going to do a Pivot Hunter class with everybody on Sunday. I actually got some good new sauce. So if you don't have the Pivot Hunter or you've had the Pivot Hunter, I got some new sauce. Yeah.
Woo!
I got some new sauce you guys are going to love.
All right. Let's see. Can make about 300 more on this account. Already hit max on the other account. All right. Very nice. Very nice so far.
You know what? I'm sharing with you guys NQ, but I trade MNQ, like MNQ, but I actually don't have any level today because I actually don't need to.
This looks like
But
it's going to retest that 906 potentially again if this can break over 90. But
the Pivot Hunter class is going to be after what is it called? What is her show called?
Happy hour?
Happy hour. After happy hour. So around 7:30, maybe 8 o'clock. Whenever they finish their show, we're going to do ours. What's included in my course? How I trade.
All right. Are we going to get a continuation down move? This closes below 70. Can crack that 68, 75 level. We might continue our down move here if this is going to be a failed bullish move incoming. But it needs to break a below. If it doesn't, it's going to retest 906 if it gets over 90. It's ranging right now.
You guys also see how that works? I took the first short. I don't know if anybody was here before technically the show started. For those who weren't here, I took a short and it failed, right? But I still had the confidence that it was still going to go in that direction, right? Because I'm not going to set no stop loss. That's ridiculous. And I got stopped out, said, no problem. If we go back down to this level, I like the short and everything made sense. Got some extra confluence with my boy Javi also seeing it. And I said, you know what? Cool. Got back into the short and I scaled into it, added into it because of the confidence, and it played out. Don't be afraid to re-enter a trade, guys, if it makes sense. Just have proper risk management where you're not doing it over and over again.
Yeah, you guys got to witness the top and bottom tick of this play right now. Like literally, like insane.
Good shit, Sam G. Good shit, my boy.
I know, right, Rob M? 556
likes on YouTube. Did you guys just not like the 2 back-to-back bangers we just called?
No.
Weird.
Oh, here we go.
Logan, are we FP today, brother?
The down move going to continue?
What do you mean, are we FP? Full porting? No, I just caught a 50, 60 point drop.
I mean,
I just called a 50, 60 point trade. I don't need a full port. That made up for the small loss I had before. I just doubled my loss in profits. I'm not going to full port. I also, as much as I like to full port, and I was doing it a lot in the past, I want to be realistic and go over, standards that make sense.
oh, there goes.
I'm about to get in right now again.
10-point drop immediately. Underneath that 70.
Got to do the same thing again, Javi.
I know.
Pivot level, I'm in.
I just got it with a few micros on
I'm
another.
gonna drop my target though. I'm gonna go to normal ATR settings.
I want to see if this holds below 70. If I'm gonna take it potentially again, I want to see if this candle can start wicking underneath 70.
Actually,
73 is where I have it. So there's 73 right there.
I'm gonna go for a smaller trade if we pop under there.
If this pushes above it, I'm not gonna. Nope, it's pushing above. No good, no good. And if this breaks over 84, then I'm gonna be eyeballing a potential long here. But right now, this candle is gonna be very telling for me. Either over 84, or if we reject right back below 73. Let's see what it does. Right now, it's floating at 73. Oh, look at that. It bounced right off of it. Oh, shoot. It's getting wicky. All right, rejecting it. Let's see. Not yet. I want to see this candle close below it. It still has 50 seconds. Damn, this candle is going to take forever. Do I want to preemptively get in it? Stop would be at 85. It's 15 points. Oh, not a fan of that. And that would be the break for the top side. That was okay. Yeah.
Yes, Max.
What's up? All right, that rejected right at 76, and I caught a little bit of it. Oh man, this is too fun right now.
Your girlfriend more profitable than you, pussy. Honestly, she's getting me tight. She's getting me pretty tight.
Dude, my wife.
You know what's wait, Javi. Wait a second. Okay. You know what's crazy? You know the disrespect. You know what's crazy? My students, right? There's Mastermind students, Logan students, and then they'll give me Logan praise. They'll give Logan praise. Alyssa, like 2 or 3 times this week, I called out a trade and she followed it and made a shit ton of money. She goes on to the show, gives me 0 praise. She's like, the Big Daddy Max. Like, you fucking. Your own boyfriend, I'm just fucking chop liver. Crazy disrespect.
She sounds like potential long-term. I'm not going to say anything because I don't want to jinx it. Potential long-term.
In her defense, Max was like her teacher. Max was like an in-person coach and teacher with her. Fine. But like 0 credit to me. 0. Fucking. I had nothing to do with it. Daddy was her first. That's crazy. That's crazy.
She said a little bit. She did say a little bit of Logan. She said a little bit.
Yeah. It's fucked up.
Dude, this is going nuts right now. The Dom is going bonkers. It went all the way back up to test 76 again.
She's up like $10,000 this month. It's insane.
but it needs to break over
She showed me
84.
9,000 something in
The other way.
payouts.
Look at that, another rejection. Dude, this is getting violent right now. The Dom is going buck wild. This still wants to go down. It went all the way back up to test that 76 again. Hard rejection off of it.
Logan, are you profitable long term? No, I'm actually flying
Frozen?
back to the Middle East tomorrow. I don't make any money trading. I'm just
Am I
getting by.
frozen on
I'm actually about to
the
sell my
Discord?
truck. Yeah, I'm fucking profitable.
Fuck.
I show
Oh God, yeah, baby.
100K in payouts each
Okay.
month.
I'm gonna restart my Discord again. Ugh, Discord, of course, is doing. If anybody's in that short again, it's a beautiful short, held below 76, beautifully. All right, and let me
break under this on the 5-minute, multiple tests here. I like this. 15-minute break, continuation, 5-minute test here. I'm about to go for a quick snipe. And wait.
I'm back. I'm back. Anybody writing that short right now? I am up on another account, $404. My runner is running. Oh my gosh. A 36-point catch. We're already over 100 points on Power Hour, which is a handful of plays. Freaking amazing. $11 twice. You left without saying bye, cuh. Yeah, what happened, bro? Right, here's my runner.
8:30. I jump in.
I loaded up a brand new account because I'm hitting. Oh my god, dude, this thing is running, dude. I'm up almost 40 points on this trade. I got in at 68 on that rejection of 76 over and over and over again.
I'm just waiting
Oh
for
my god.
30, and I'm going to jump in it again.
And quantum triggered an A++ setup for an entry at 52. You'd still be up 20 points right now. Beautiful. So I'm up like 1,500 on Power Hour right now, trading
All right,
three separate accounts.
Not yet.
3 separate accounts.
3.
No more than that. The first account I got 900.
I'm going in now. All right.
Oh, baby, still going. Oh my god, 40 points. 40 points. Oh god, guys, this is amazing. This is amazing. It's still going. It's still going, guys. Ah! Almost 50. I got out. It trailed me out right there. Almost 50 on that bounce at 20. It trailed me out. There we go. Another one. Another one bites the dust.
You look at how I enter a trade and go on my phone? Yeah, because that's how my settings are. I use ATM settings. I set it and forget it.
Beautiful. Look at that. I got out right at the pull up, but let's see. SPX still has room. NQ midline and then 799 potentially if it rejects the breakout of the orb. I'm happy with that. I'm good with that. Damn, dude. That is
I also added into the short.
We almost collected 160 points so far in Power Hour.
Yeah.
Is there anybody else that has done that? If any, I know some of you guys out there are watching multiple shows right now.
I'm holding the short. I'm going to trim here at 13. I do expect some rejection at the top side of orb at around 800. But I'm going to trim profit at 13 and then I'm trailing.
What a Power Hour, guys, and a Friday. You need to lose money. That's a great problem to have. I need to lose money. And then just here's the secret code to losing money, Blue Mafia. Depends on how much you need to lose, but all you need to do is get in a buy or sell with a couple micros if you don't need to lose much and just reverse it a few times, then get out and then take a peek at where you're at. Depends on how much you need to lose, right? If you need to lose a lot, 5 to 10, and just go in a buy or sell, reverse it a few times, the fees will eat up the gains. And it'll just chop it back down to where you want. But be careful, because as you get closer to where you need to go, size down. Okay? I've had that problem a few times where I've made too much and I need to go in there and lose some. And that's the best way to do it. Oh yeah, the MVG do Max, that new MVG update. Mwah. Like fucking love it, dude. So amazing. Oh, look at that drop still going.
Told you guys.
Yes.
There we go. First trim is 13. Oh, gonna hold the trade, let it play out until at least 800.
That failed bullish move up here at 73. The stop would have been 83. Kept rejecting 76 multiple times. Oh god, that was too good.
I ended up accidentally trimmed some earlier. Didn't mean to do that, but it's fine. Still got some contracts left.
We stream every day, Vix. Thank you for that $2, brother. We stream every single Monday through Friday. The market is open, except for Sundays, because this market opens at 6. Guys, tune in to a happy hour. Happy hour. Got
Hold the
Izzy and
short.
Coach.
Hold the short. If you're still in this short, just hold it. It's gonna drop a little bit more. Told you guys. And that was 14. Yeah, that was 14. We were 1 point away. 1 point away from the trim, and then all contracts and profit.
Let's see what SPX does if it hits 836.38. If it hits it. All right.
Everybody should be green still in this trade. I'm very much in profit still.
The sauce box is not an indicator, Mach 5. That is currently something that I teach my students. We are working on something around it. We are working on something around it.
Come on, just dump already. Finish this for me. Nope, we're not.
It's going to break back over orb.
Yep. It's all right. That was a good stop point anyway. Actually,
I want to see if it rejects 50.
I like where this, let's see how this candle plays out, and I will add into the short.
I want to eyeball what it does here at 50. It gets up there. The Dom, here it goes. The Dom speeding up a little bit here.
Stop loss is that, yeah, I'm going to cut it here. Cut it here. That was good, though.
Here we go. That's a huge candle.
Big ass candle. Yeah, it's a huge candle.
Huge candle. This is where I want to see a rejection if it does. But if it doesn't,
I bet you had TP at 15. Good. Yeah.
Here we go.
I mean, we hit a good amount of points.
The Dom's going nuts up here at 50.
So far. I don't drink, but cool. Logan, your ATM settings are straight off of trade of 8. I don't know what that means.
Yeah. Of course they're from Street, but they're his customized. Look at that rejection off 50. Quick 10-pointer. I'm out.
We're also off of wealth.
Oh, 15 points. It turned to 15 points. Okay. Oh my god, this scalp off 150 rejection. 20 points. Love it. All right. I'm trailing. There you go. And my runner will be my last runner.
Do you use classics? Chip to staff. Shut up, big bro. Hobby, do you manage micro scalping with the funded account payout rules? Since you take a lot of trades, how do you avoid breaking the anti-scalping rules, especially regarding duration?
Micro scalping, guys, look it up, right? Micro scalping is if you hold a trade for less than 10 seconds or so, or if you trade a certain amount of ticks, right? Points or ticks. Less than 5 ticks is usually the rule. I don't look for any trades that give me less than 5 points. My majority of trades last well over 10 seconds. My average trading time is anywhere from 40 seconds to a minute and a half. And they've been as high as a couple minutes. I take all my entries on the 1-minute chart. I've never been denied a payout for micro scalping of any kind from any prop. I've gotten payouts from 8 different prop firms. I've never had that issue, ever.
There you go.
Oh, there you go. Where do I see the 150 level?
After that quick dump, enjoy your weekend, everyone. Cool.
That's the trend on the 5-minute break.
$1.99. You guys stream every day, or obviously. Yeah. Thanks, Fixolid. Hobby, can you send the link to buyer indicator? The mods will send it in the YouTube. They'll send it to you.
Yeah, the mods will send it to you.
For quant today, managed to get an eval back from Brink with full drawdown and 500 profit. So swing almost 3K. Now, if I can do the same on my 19 funded. Yeah, nice.
Yeah, take your time,
Logan,
brother.
Are you related to Sam Darnold?
You do kind of have a resemblance.
No, I'm not
You
related
do.
to Sam Donald.
Yeah. So, anybody looking at Quan on YouTube, right? That big blue buy signal, right? Big impulse candles, I avoid those. Right. Look how much bigger it is in the previous 2 candles. And that 50 area was the break of the 5-minute downtrend. You guys can't see it on YouTube, but it is on my 5-minute chart. I have that cloud. And that's why I was looking for a rejection at 50. Join the Discord. And please like and subscribe and hit that bell, tickle the bell. We like to have our bells tickled. Okay. So please. So you guys don't miss the show. All
Love
right.
seeing Logan's face after he reads a random stupid question. Yeah, that happens a lot. Happens quite a lot.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this is just continuing. That was a clean rejection on 50. This breaks that 17. Then we potentially get to midline. How many points has that been? Man, we're at like 200 points, I think, already. Look at this. Look, Kenneth
Tip the
Touche. Look
staff
at you,
and buy the
$5. Thank you for
courses.
tipping the staff, brother.
These guys
These
made me
guys made me
4K
4K today. Very nice job, brother. Very nice, Kenneth.
Kenneth has been absolutely dominating. Kenneth
He has been.
the game.
Do haters still think you guys don't make consistent cash? Yes. That's a part of the game, George. You have to be used to getting called a scammer, getting called a fake, a guru, like, all that stuff. You got to get used to it. At first, I'm not going to lie, I was not used to it. I wanted to defend myself. Every time somebody called out my thing, because I put so much time and effort into it, like I wanted to fight them. Like I would go into the cage and I wanted to just body slam the shiitake mushrooms out of them. But as I've gone on and progressed and grown, I've learned to, I have to ignore them. Either, if like those that I can prove, like the ones that hate and prove, and I can prove when I show my payouts and stuff, when I post them on social, the next immediate thing they go for is you're fat. Go to the gym. I'm like, yeah, you don't think I already know that? That's how you know.
Going short.
Look at that rejection. Here, there's the break of 20. So this will have to retest 20 and hold below it.
Fuck. I didn't realize we were that close to the 800 level, like I said.
Yeah, this is right there. So I want to see this retest 20 and then reject it.
We break the 800. I'm just going to leave this. I want to leave it. But if we break the 800, I'm going to scale in heavy. Otherwise, I'm going to let this trade pop out. And I don't care.
PHP is the best. Thanks, guys.
See there's a rejection of 20. Now can it keep going? Boom. Ha! Yes! Another 10 points. Oh!
There we go.
Love this, dude. On repeat over and over and over again.
There we go. There we go.
I'm almost at consistency on this account now.
All right. Wait, what the fuck?
Look at that. 15 points right there. 15 points already. Boom. All right. I have to be careful. I'm almost. Oh, God. 20 points. Oh, God. Nice call, brother. Hell yeah. Let's go. You guys seeing those entries? The retest of 20. Easy peasy. Guaranteed. I am almost at consistency on a third account during power hour. I'm up almost 2,000.
Hold it. Next TP for me. Next trim here. I'm going to take over at 65.
My runner's running. Oh my
65.
God, y'all.
65.
40 points.
Oh my God. I'm up.
Dude,
huge.
Let's go, man. Let's go, brother. Fuck yeah, guys. 40 points.
2,000, 3,000, 4,000, $5,000 on the power hour.
My entry was 1850.
Hold the shorts.
I'm about to have to get out of this. Okay, thank you. It trailed me out. I'm good. I could not let it go past 800 because that will be my consistency on this guy. All right.
I think we could
Damn it.
under 100 points here.
I don't think I have. I have to load another account. I've hit consistency on 3 accounts already. I'm at $2,400 for power hour right now. Freak. That's a good problem to have, though.
Hold the shorts. I'm looking for another 30-point drop here. I'm looking for another 30-point drop here. 30-point drop. We're going to get to at least 62 here. Hold the shorts. There we go. And let's get a new lower low. All right. That's another 40 points
Bottom
so
of board.
far. Keep holding it. There we
Meltdown.
go. Hold the
Meltdown.
shorts.
How many ticks or points do I place my stop? It depends on the setup. So that current setup where it retested 20, the stop loss
That's
would have
30,
been up at 33.
40. There we go. Hold the shorts. That's
Wow,
50
what a
points. Hold the
meltdown. Let's
shorts. This
go,
is the
Logan.
test area, right? I
Yeah.
said the 62 area.
He's still in
Bounced
it.
right off. We ripped through this. We're good until next one is 683.
Dude.
We've got all contracts in profit rolling them up. $2, $4, $6, $8,000 on the power hour. Holding this. Javi and I have called out over 200 points already within 45 minutes of the power hour.
Well over 200 points, just casually. Just casually.
Gonna leave all contracts in profit and running now. I got trails. By the way, students, again, I'm running on a 30 ATR because of how much move volatility. We'll talk about it in our next class. Holding the short. Let it play out. Let it run.
Everyone should be green as fudge. Everyone should be green as fudge right now. Everybody.
I got stop losses at 77 and
We're the fakest of the fake, APZ.
I thought, was that a good enough call out that I was going short by any chance? Did anybody?
Probably wasn't for somebody. There's always gonna be somebody.
Was that a good enough call out? I was pretty transparent about it. Oh, we're
Oh
dumping.
God,
I'm
it's
up
still
80 points now.
melting.
Okay.
What a beauty.
Sorry, I can't do
What
math.
a
That's
beauty.
65 points, but it's fine. 65 points on this.
What a beauty, brother.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Oh man, the progression started all the way up there. Oh,
Stop losses are going to be 70 and 85.
Failed bullish move after failed bullish move, confirmations, easy entries. Anybody that has been watching the quantum stuff, hopefully you guys have seen these. That dump from that retest of 20 was a 15-point risk play, less than 15 points. And it tanked hard. And then Logan with that hard continuation breakout, right? That pivot 100 pro power. Oh, you know who likes his pivot 100 pro right now? Poo poo fart.
She doesn't even use my shit, dude. I literally just texted her and she's still like, nah, I don't use your shit. Like,
I'm talking about a different kind of pivot 100 pro. I'm talking about the real pivot 100 pro. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, I have to stop there. There's a 330 volume, continuing the down push. I got a sauce box down at 730, between 710 and 730.
I'm still in this trade, guys. I trimmed out some contracts left. I got some micros left at 83. Where's my next resistance area? Where did I say it was? 81. Fuck it. I'm going to scale. I'm going to add contracts. I'm going to go for another 30 points. I'm going to go for another 30 points here.
One MDG left. One MDG left. 24 of 25 have been filled. There's one up top. It's way up there. I don't think it's going to get there today, though. That's bonkers. Let's see what happens.
This girl just made another $1,300. Okay. Fucking, she'll text me saying I made $1,300. She's up $8,000 today on her pro. And now she's finally saying because of me.
How much did she add?
She just added another $1,300 on her pro on that short.
Ooh, let's go. Nice fat payout. She'd better treat you to a nice dinner.
So I was saying, yeah, like you.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah, because you're acting like a bitch. I just called out 130 points. I'm not going to get fucking crazy.
She don't want to get dumped? Maybe. Who knows? After that kind of day. All right. She's just free floating right now. Yeah.
She's a max student, so I get it. And stop loss, final stop loss, 87. And I'm going to Just edged me.
Ooh, that's a nice wick and flip right there.
Oh,
Back
I like that
underneath
wick and flip.
64. If it can break back underneath 64, you're gonna get some more potential push.
Where's this next resistance? 720.
Yeah, for me it would be 728, 75, or 710, 730. It's my sauce box. 728, 708. But this is holding 64 right now. Needs to break back.
We break a new lower low. I'm going to add in, and I'm going to shoot for that 7. I'm going to shoot for like 720. I'm just going to keep going short. I'm still in this trade, guys. I'm up 120 points on this short in total now.
There you go, Tech. Up 900 on my first Alpha Futures funded. Great job. Thank you, Kenneth. Just made 31.92 to pass an Apex account.
Oh,
there you
I
go,
wasn't paying
Sierra.
attention. I'm adding into this short. I'm going to add into this short here.
Beautiful.
Would you take late
Look at
night
that.
special one-on-one sessions with Logan? I wouldn't do a late night session with anybody.
Oh, everyone just disappointment just hit everybody.
No. Oh, wait a minute. Oh. All right, guys. So the next PT that I'm looking for here is 24. I'm going to try and snag it before we bounce potentially off of the 21. So we're going to go for another 30 points. Like I said, I'm still in this trade. We're up 110. We're going to try and grab another 30 points here.
Yeah. I'm going to be cautious with the next sauce box only because I don't have any quantum levels other than a 2-minute level at 27.
Okay, there we go. There we go.
I don't have strong reaction there.
There
The
we
next one's
go.
down at 655. That'd be nuts.
We're at 130 points. Pulling up now. Just gonna hold this.
I want to see this get down to that sauce box for potential. Potential. If it gives me the reaction I'm looking for. But I need to load up another account. I need to run.
Hobby, what's the biggest trades? I don't even know anymore. I don't even know what my record is for my biggest trade.
I had that 160 point single trade, right? We had single trades. Yours was like 120, 130. And then like we always call like a combination of like a bunch of like obviously we were well over 200 points right now, which is nuts. Like
Yeah,
I'm still
in this. I'm still in this 100 point. No, this is technically 80 points, but 130 total. There we go. Like I said, guys, 724 is the next trim. 724 is the next trim. Hold the shorts. There's another 20 points. Just hold the shorts.
All right, it's getting really close. I'm seeing Dom reaction down here at the 730s. That was a violent pull up right there. Hit 37. I wanted to see it kind of get in there, so I want to see if it gets in there. SPX has one more gap to fill down here at 815. I kind of want to watch for that.
Debating when I want to start moving contracts down.
Oh shit, I'm trying to load up a new account right now. I forgot.
Nope. This candle. I don't know. We're kind of slowing down.
Yeah, this is that zone. I mean, it didn't manage to hit sauce box yet. It created a level at 4350. So that's the new area.
If we fucking break this new lower low, then never mind. And
there goes. Yep.
Yeah,
breaks
we're good.
The level.
We're good. We're good. It's gonna drop down more. I was debating if I wanted to pull my stops down, but then I'll just keep letting it drop.
The Dom's definitely getting crazier the more closer to 730 it's getting, but I want to see what it does when it actually gets.
How much is this? 160 points. I didn't get all 160 though. I got 130 of it so far. Actually, this is, if we break this 35, that's 140. Come on. 724. Give me 724.
It's so close to the box. Just get there, please. Get there. All right. All right. Come on.
It's going to hit. It's going to hit. Once I get to 724, guys, I'm going to tighten up a little bit, because that's going to be 160 points, and I'm not going to be upset about that. And we're going to just let it run. There we go. Almost. Come on.
Come on, it's right there at
A
the
little bit of
box.
hesitation here
So
now.
close. Yeah, this is a potential turning point for me, but I want to see it get in the box at least. I want to see a touch of the box.
After this, next resistance is about 40 points lower, and then orb opening, or the bottom of orb, bottom of day, which would be insane if we get all the way down there. And I might fucking just keep scaling in.
I want to see it
Oh,
tap in there.
brother, it's so slow. Fucking tap it already.
If it breaks back over 43, it may start pumping a little bit up. But as long as it stays below 43, there's definitely some push down incoming. I want to see it get into the box. That's what I want to see. Come on. It's so close. It's showing a little bit of strength. Yeah, it's not going to give it. There goes. If it closes over 43, this may start being it. This may start being where it's going to go. Damn it. I wanted it to get in the box. Why? It did give me my entry. Oh. No, I caught it with 1 micro. I got in with 1 micro. Kind of sad. Because I wanted one more in there at 33. I'm gonna take it out because I couldn't load the other account. I hit consistency now on this thing. There goes, son of a bitch. I wanted to add 2 more. There it goes. There freaking goes. It got within 3 points of the box. It got within 3 points of my damn box.
I didn't move my stops down, so my stops are at 85. My stops are at 85. I'm gonna leave them. I still want it to get down to 24. Even if I get stopped out at 85, I'm still gonna a shit ton of cash. So
I got trailed out on that pullback. If this breaks underneath 34, maybe we'll get the that will be a hell of a failed bullish move. That close to the box, I'm gonna wait. If it does fail.
I like this. Just knock out all the buyers and then dump.
Yeah, if this is a failed,
that'd be great.
I don't know, man. This is lining up for potential push up now on the 2-minute at least, with the 5-minute potentially, but this needs to start really holding above 43. This could potentially start running here. This is setting up. Wait, I can't. Damn it, my other account didn't load up yet. Oh, there it goes. Son of a bitch! I missed that entry. Yeah. That was a quick 20-point pop from where I wanted to get in. Okay, it's pulling back. At least right now, I'm going to wait now. There's no entry for me anymore. The 5-minute could start running. If it starts getting back above 75, 80, this thing could really start running. Oh, man, that sucks. I missed my entry. There you go. You caught that learning with 5 micros? Beast learning to trades. Beast. I got in with 1 micro. With 1. I wanted to add more on the tap. It didn't give it to me. All right, hit 73. It couldn't make it over 80.
I think we're going to dump still. Still think we're going to dump.
It's building a few barriers, so it would need to break 46, and then it would need to break 35. So let's see what it does.
I'm not touching my stop losses.
I'm watching it too now. I'm not entering anything anymore. I missed that pop. That pop was the pop I was looking for. It couldn't break 80, so I would have gotten trailed out on that pullback.
This is gonna be a great video to watch if we have this set up. This would be nice.
On to that 46 currently.
Three bar. Give me a 3 bar.
I'm acting pretty wild on these pull-ups and pull-downs. So there's definitely a tug of war happening. There goes again.
Oh, we're good. We're good. We're good.
Yep. There's
We're
a break of
good.
46.
Yep.
Now it needs to break 35 next. If it fails to break 35 and this is going to be the turning point, this is what would create the new higher low potentially. If it breaks 35, we're definitely going to see some push into that box. And then I want to see a reaction around it if it presents itself.
24. Give me 24. Wow, that was a
See,
very
there's-
impressive hold.
All right, Dom's acting up right here. Dom is acting up at 35. Oh yeah, it's speeding up.
What ATR indicator are we using? The Pivot Hunter Pro.
Stuck between 35 and 46. Needs to get back above that. So if it breaks 35, definitely
here,
look.
watch
Oh,
this.
I got a purple here.
Watch this.
Okay,
Watch
this
this. Gonna stop.
current
Why do I
range?
want it to hit here? Because I have a level right here where we might reject off. So we're gonna pop it,
It does here.
maybe get a bounce, and at that point in time, I'm good anyway. Watch this.
It's
shit.
struggling right now. It's the Dom's
Watch
going
this
nuts
shit.
now. But this is
Watch
looking
this
good.
shit.
Come on, break that 35. She's holding
Hold
on
it.
for now.
Hold
9
it.
seconds.
Hold it.
9 seconds. Oh, popping itself up. Oh, come on,
Hold
get
it.
down there.
Hold it.
Nope. No, she's holding out to 35 right now. Look at that. Look at that 35 hold. Yep, that 35 held beautifully. Wow. Wow.
You dirty bitch.
Yeah, wow. And I got trailed out. Fuck. I didn't even get in that much. Made a quick 180 right there with 3 micros.
Still holding this. I'm still holding it.
That was like 4 micros on that bounce of 135. The Dom reacted at that 135.
Where my stop's gonna be.
189 is what I made. I didn't even look at my size. I got trailed out so fast.
So my
Right
stop
now,
is
the range,
stop and PT, guys.
yeah, 160, 160, and 35. That's what I'm looking at right now. This is the new account I just loaded up. 189 so far. Ugh, right.
5 minutes until MOC, Javi.
Oh shit. I mean, we're not near any levels right now. That 35 was the level. Look at that. It's already up almost 30 points off that 35 bounce. Wow. Dude, I think we collected over 300 points so far. This is insane. Freaking insane. Needs to hold above 60 if it's going to continue its merry way up. Right now, it's just back and forth. This is setting up, though, on the 5 minute. If this can hold about above 60 potentially, but right now it's just 60 is the ground for it to break.
Right. What I'm gonna do.
What is POC? Somebody
I'm
enlighten me.
I'm gonna bring all my stop losses down to this
I love-
right above the candle. All of my
I love
stop
when
losses
my
are gonna go
candles
above this
line up.
candle.
Point of control. What is point of control? What does point of control mean?
It's like
High volume level?
Yeah, it's like where there was a lot of movement and stuff going
Most volume of the day. Ooh, so my candle lined up with that one. Where I had it right here. That candle at 338 lined up with that. Let me take a look at the volume.
Hold stop losses down a little bit more into profit.
This candle's the highest volume of the day, or like there was another candle earlier today. Well, see, I love stuff like that. I love stuff like that because when my shit lines up with stuff like that, it makes me super interested in looking at more. More, give me more. Area price level. Person of happy, person of color. Happy Black History Month. Yes, happy Black History Month. Javi, I can't seem to lose money. What the hell is this? Do that reverse thing, Blue Mafia. Get in with like 10 contracts, reverse.
Why hold to make 35 more points when your stop loss is 35 points away? Not just take it where it guaranteed profits. Just a question. Don't kill me. Not trying to be a dick. Just want to understand your thinking. I'm already up 130 points. There's a 30-point difference. I pulled my stop loss down. So if I get stopped out on a point of difference between 40 points, I've still collected 90 points.
Yeah, like he's not risking what he already made.
I've already
Yeah.
made 7 times what I risked. I
Oh,
was
yuck, that
7
looks
arm multiple.
freaking
No,
amazing.
maybe even more than that. 7 arm multiple. I just think it'll go down here because of this, like certain areas of resistance that I have. If it doesn't, it's not the end of the world. I still collected a shit ton of points.
I'm looking for this 760 to hold for more continuation up. There goes. I set it and it already went up. So, but this 5-minute candle closure could be telling for the next move. And if this goes below 60, it's just going to re-enter that range it was in and potentially make a new higher low. Oh,
All
there
right.
it goes. Oh, okay. I'm up $300 on the brand new account, or 270 on the brand new account that I just loaded up because I hit consistency on every single other one.
I got crushed. Mach 5.
Yep, MLC's in a few.
How do you get crushed?
How'd you get crushed? We're been collecting.
Yeah. All right. Okay. If we buy Logan's
No
indicator,
one.
do we join a Sunday session? Yes. The indicator session is on Sunday night.
No one should be giving back what you made. We've called nothing but bangers. Everyone should be green as hell, right? Even on that one losing trade, unless you went YOLO for an idiot reason, right? Because some of you guys, unfortunately, might be, right? Everyone should be insanely green right now.
I think it's actually going to rip now.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at, right? Oh my God, look at that rip. The 760 held. There's 25 points right there.
I'm going to go on the long now, Sam. Pivot levels long.
Yeah. Look at that.
Oh,
Launch, guys. Anybody still in that long 760, right? I'm waiting on MOC obviously as well, but this is already going. This is gone. There's another 40-point trade for you guys. We're well over 300 points on Power Hour. Who else is fucking doing this? Who else, guys? 300 points plus in Power Hour. In freaking insane.
Hobby, in exactly 14 seconds, I'm clicking buy.
Okay, here we go. 14 seconds.
1 second before MOC, I'm clicking buy. I'm going to aim
816.
I'm going to aim for, all right, I'm going to go for 30 points. 3, 2, 1.
I have
click
nothing
buy.
to hold down. There's no push up. I'm going to be, 816 was nothing.
Shit.
I wanted to see reaction 816.
Okay.
I didn't enter anything just to make sure. I want to see if 816 gets tapped. This didn't even push. This is looking like it wants to come down a little bit now.
Not yet. We're still good.
760 is still that same area that needs to hold. If this pushes 760, I want to see it hold.
Stop loss for me is going to be 59. TP is going to be 19.
All right, here we go. I want to see what it does at 60. If it gets down there. Let's see. Okay, here it is. Here's 60. It's not reacting a whole lot. It's looking pretty weak. Nope, there it is bouncing. Nope, it's back to it. Oh, wait. The Dom's not reacting down here. If it pushes one more time, it might break it. I want to see it break. This is setting up for potential. It is holding on to it. Ooh, it held on to it nicely. That held 6. I wonder if Logan's still in it because that might have edged him. Okay, here we go again. Back to it. 760 is the main hold. Is breaking it. Oh, he got stopped out for sure there. Now, if this candle closes below, I'll be interested. But right now, did you get stopped out, bro? It went underneath for a second. But I'm looking for this potentially to break if it's going to go. The Dom is kind of going nuts down here, though. So if 760 holds, it's holding again. This might push itself back up. But it's holding on for dear life. There it is again, testing it again.
No, I'm not going to trade it. I'm good.
The 760 is. All right, here we go. Here's the break. Can it hold beneath here? How many seconds we got? 2 seconds left. I don't like this. It's not giving me a nice continuation. If it comes out, I'm not giving back none of what I made. There goes. There goes. Come on. I want to see it kind of continue down. I got 10 points on that. And that's it. Yeah, I'm gonna get trailed out. Got trailed out right there. It's not giving a good reaction. If it rejects 760 again, there's potential that hit 63 on that pull up.
Should I go for this 24 level again? Yeah, fuck it.
Let's see if this holds under 760 again. I mean, if it does, maybe, but I don't like the hesitancy it has right now. So I'm looking. I'm trying to. The Dom isn't giving there. The Dom's now reacting. Finally, there's the Dom reacting at 760. It got that jerky motion. Kind of liking it again.
I'm gonna go for the 24 level again.
There's 10 points again. It's getting wild down here at 750 now.
What happens?
It gets wild down there, dude. This is kind of scary, honestly. This MOC is a little bit scary. Yeah, look at that.
Fuck.
Yeah.
No.
It's going nuts at 750. Like it went nuts. Like I was like, it's getting scary down there. That 750 area, the Dom was going nuts. And it popped up in an instant, 20 some points.
Still all right.
This is just ranging right now. This is just range. This is just power out. This is just MOC range. It's not doing anything.
Giant range.
Yeah. It's giant. This is I hope nobody is giving back anything of what they made for MOC for power hour. Because even I scalped that 760 rejection twice. That was it. 10 points. That's all I got. And then I got trailed out of my runners immediately. I didn't even catch that pop up.
You guys made 160. Like Javi and I made 200 points, and then you guys kept trading your accounts. I don't really feel bad if you popped your accounts. To be honest with
Nick.
you called out 200 plus points, and then you kept trading.
There goes. Oh, the break of 60. And I got in late as hell on this. I got in so late on this. Like, I got in so late. I got in that 69.
There you go, Nick. Attaboy. Why'd you lie?
Nick, don't lie.
You fucking
oh my gosh. I got in that 70. And it's running. Too. It's running. There it goes. Look at that. Oh my God. 40 points right there. That 60 was scary as hell. And when that 50 popped up, oh my God, it's still running. Oh my God. My runner is running. I'm up almost 450, 470 on this new account I just loaded up.
Guys, this is
holy crap. Yeah. If you guys have no understanding of the Dom, I highly suggest you guys look at the Dom. Look at the Dom was so telling at that 750. I got trailed out on that pullback. Hell yeah. 435 on this account. I'm happy with that. I'll take that.
Yeah, Nick is a good example of exactly what I should have. You guys take your wins, and then you log out, just like Javi did. Javi kept rotating accounts. Everybody keeps rotating.
Oh, accounts. Yeah. All right, let me put up my power hour accounts. I had 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and where's the other one?
My past month of data trading 1 TPT
and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 power hour accounts total for each one individually traded. Each one 435 on one, 820 on another one. That's 1250, 830 on another one. That is 20,080 or 20,000, 2,080, and then 1,300 on the other one. Trading 4 separate accounts, guys, during power hour. Very nice. That was what? Over 3,000. It's over 3,000. The Dom, you kind of can, I guess you could kind of say it like it's level 2. It's just gives you, like, if you look at it, you start seeing reactions. If you can put it together, like with an area, right? If you guys use VWAP, some of you guys were talking about POC, you can use the Dom and it will give you reaction around there. Like it'll show you right here. I'll put the Dom up here, right?
Hey guys, don't send me a fucking friend request. Don't send me a friend request. Do not DM me. I will not open it. I will not answer it. I get
Can
100
you
a
guys?
day.
I don't know if YouTube can see
99%
it.
of you guys, I just assume are
Here we go.
scammers. Do not
That's the
DM
Dom
any
right
of the staff members. Do not friend request any of the staff members. The staff members will not DM you, and the staff members will not friend request you. You are wasting your time and energy. None of us will answer. We have 65,000 members in the Discord. Why do you think that we will be able to answer you? One. Two, there's 65,000 members in the Discord. Why do you think that you were the special one that we decided to DM about some trading? Let us trade for you. Let us do crypto, all this stuff.
Hell no,
Use
man.
some critical thinking and fucking turn on your brain and come to the conclusion that you're not special and we're not going to trade for you or do anything special for you to make you money. So why would you think that we would DM you guys? Those are what we call scammers. Okay.
Look at that past account.
I've had like 4 people DM me
Show
saying
you
they
guys.
got scammed. I'm like, I'm sorry that you were born with. I got to be careful what I say.
You guys can see, right? Yeah. Okay.
Logan,
Bing.
do you follow your students?
Every account traded separately.
My students are an exception.
Crazy power hour.
What a week. Thing I'm most proud of. I was terrified to go live with Tradeify. Managed to make base all week and ended up with 4 accounts up $632 for the week. Let's go, Rob.
Yes, it is the trade of
Absolutely.
8.
Oh yeah, we haven't done a profit roll call in a while. Everybody should be up huge. Let's see a profit roll call
Yeah,
right now.
everyone should be up huge.
Right
Come
now.
on. If
Right
you played that
Bam,
MOC off the reaction had no levels, no nothing for me to play on. So that's why I waited for reaction. But everyone should be up huge. Everybody. Look at that, Jeff. My name Jeff.
Look at all that money.
Oh my god, you
You're trading
guys.
because I'm done for the day. Good shit, dude. That's how you should be.
Your 7-figure. I'll tag you on the picture that I took. There you go. That's what the Dom looks like, 7-figure. Look at all that green. All the green. All right. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice, Mauricio. Look at the green. Ads. What happened? Ads? Did you try to do did you try to counter us or something? You're minus 1600?
It's honestly impressive.
Let's go, Sam.
It's actually impressive that you managed to
Oh,
lose so much money when we called out.
That long from that 50,
Shiny
even
points.
the 60 break. It's still going. 50 points. If anybody's still in that sucker, I'm not. But that 60 break, as soon as that 60 broke, it did not even retest it. It launched.
Oh, look at that pivot hunter level. Pivot hunter level, ripping long. Go long now.
16,
Could go up at least
1675.
40.
Oh my
Yep,
god.
there you go. Yep.
861 could be next here. You got to level up there too at near 861 because your pivot level almost matches up with my 816.75. So right now it's kind of rejecting it. It rejected the 816. Needs to break and hold that 816. Very nice. Look at all that green, guys. Good way to end the week. Good way to go into the weekend. 300 plus points called out on a Friday. That is insane. Freaking insane. YouTube, you guys, big green. Look at that. Look at Salvador Morales, 6681. Way to go. Grateful, 1711.
You traded on
Skeletor,
Tradebait. Is trading
2054.
on TradingView way better? Does it glitch on Tradebait? I only trade on Tradebait and wealth charts. I only trade on Tradebait and wealth charts. I've never traded on TradingView. Like you don't see anything right here.
Okay. Let's try to end early. All right, we'll see. All right. All right, you know what? An amazing day. I think we both kind of got to show off our stuff very well today. Does anybody have PHP that wants to come up? Do a quick interview. Either PHP, Quant, or even the new MVG, whichever one, guys. Let's bring some PHP guys up here. I know you guys eat on these kind of days too, so let's bring someone up, brother. You want to pick somebody, Logan? You got 2 guys in there.
I mean, who's had the Pivot Hunter Pro for?
Yeah.
Who's had the Pivot Hunter Pro for over a month now? Had success with it. Do we have a 3-day weekend? We do.
Yeah, we do. The market closes early on Monday, but we don't. Yeah, we won't have power hour.
Tight work, burn the ships. I love that saying. If anybody doesn't know what burn the ships means, it's a super sick saying. It's usually said in the military, saying back in the day, forever, and it has to do with like always persevering, taking names, slaughtering everybody, pushing forward, savagery, straight badassery.
What's up, y'all?
Tight work. How you doing, brother?
What's good? I'm good, man. All green today, man. I didn't even trade power hour with y'all.
Let's go, dude. How's your training? So
That's
obviously your
fully
training's been going well.
Yeah, I got a payout on Apex like last week. Right now I have another payout coming on Apex as well, so it's doing good. Pivot Hunter, I've been using it since last year, man, and you know it takes the guessing out, it takes the anxiety out, it takes all of the impatience out of trading. So you guys need to go get it, man, for real.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
I mean, you guys saw here, you would just see breaks and continuations.
Exactly. Yeah, and yesterday was a killer day for it too. On that big drop that we had, you know what I mean, was fully green again from just playing the Pivot Hunter trades. It's easy. It's
Awesome.
easy.
Yeah, it really is. Well, we
You've got the
appreciate that,
Apex
man.
payout. You know, that's telling as well.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, we fully green, man. I was green from this morning on it and stuff like that, and you know, didn't need to trade this evening. I'm just leaving work right now, so man, we all good, man.
Let's go.
Well, man, that's awesome to hear, and we appreciate it a lot. You know, obviously, we've put a lot of time and effort, Owen and I, into building that indicator. So we're constantly making it better. And I'm actually going to be doing a class with all of the Pivot Hunter users Sunday after the happy hour show. We're going to be doing a class. It's going to be around 7:30, 8 o'clock, whenever they finish up, and we're going to do it. But also, tight work. We appreciate you coming up here, and we're going to give you a free month.
Cool.
Well.
Appreciate you guys, man. Definitely.
Absolutely, brother. Congratulations. Open up a support ticket.
All right. PHP Fire Bach. Volume's dying. It's after 4 o'clock. Even my shit's gonna go bonkers at this time. Don't look at what it's doing now. All right.
Fuck, I have like fucking
Awesome.
today.
All right, let's give away some monthlies, bro. Let's give away some monthlies, man. What a day. Power hour, 300 points plus. Let's give away some monthlies. And then we're gonna call it a day. I want to head out. I want to go hang out. I haven't hung out with my friend for 3 months. I want to go hang out with him after this.
I have a similar trading style to you, but I also love Maxter Stretch as well. Should I do your course with a Mastermind? Highly doubt you have a similar trading style as me. Nobody has a style of trading like me except for my students. But whatever works for you, man. I'm an OG Mastermind student. It's how I learned to trade, and then I took his way and made it my own. So it's preference.
Yep. All right. Let's pick our first Discord winner. We're just gonna do 2 Discord, 1 YouTube right now for a free monthly. All right. First one number will be number 274. 274. Let's go. Apparently we have
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 26, 27, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, Binks, you're not certified. And
next one. All right, number 113.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, 3. Riddick 99. Riddick 99. I just got so tired.
Riddick 99, yeah.
Hey, how's it going? Hey, I just got on the call yesterday with Coach, and I was speaking to him. I'm guessing that I'm lucky on this group now, finally getting picked up. So, yeah. So, a little about me. I'm a international student here in the US. I come from India. I've been following you guys for 2 months. Got my first payout last week, and yeah, been pretty cool. You guys are awesome. Not gonna lie, it's so nice So yeah, thank you so much for everything that you guys do.
Absolutely, man. And we appreciate that. And you're going to win a free month in Indiana.
Yep, free month, brother.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You get it, man. You have a good one. All right, YouTube. Let's do 300. Let's do 300.
We have to spin the January wheels. It's 2 weeks into the month. We're going to have to do it another time. I got shit I got to do. Hobby's got shit.
Yep.
Why we're doing
I want to go.
January and fucking February 13th.
I want to go hang out with my friend, have a couple beers, and just chill. I want to get out of here. All right. Let's see. You want to pick up the YouTube winner?
Yeah, let's do
Give
it.
them a second.
YouTube, type in. Well, they're already typing in 300.
Yeah, 300.
Okay, fuck it. All right, 1, 2, 3, and Raheem Ward 137. Raheem Ward 137. Raheem Ward 137. Congratulations.
Way to go.
You just won free access to any indicator free for an entire week. All right, last one. We're gonna do a giveaway. Logan seem emotional to anyone?
Tired. We're tired. It's Friday.
Yeah, dude.
It's Friday, dude.
I don't want to have to sit here and entertain you anymore. So suck my balls. All right, we got 370 people now. Let's do of an account.
Number 60. Number 60.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, did you try? If you have the ST? You don't even have the MOT tag.
All right, next
Let's
one.
do the next one. Buy.
Number 7.
See a pussy? Fucking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
hell out of
6.
here.
Ban Snyder. This guy just won. You said 7, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Yeah.
7.
Number 7.
So good weekend. Thank you for the indicator. Awesome, Raheem. We appreciate that, man.
To a good weekend.
Raheem.
Thank
you,
you
brother.
for the indicator.
Logan is probably the most emotional team on the MOT. Cocaine, and you're probably one of the least profitable P2P students and the P2P students. How about that? Bannon Snyder.
Yo.
Whatever.
Yo.
Congratulations again, brother.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. You guys are great. I'm up $407 today.
Nice, man. Good shit. Good shit. Well, hey, man.
Hell yeah.
Congratulations. Open up a sport ticket. You just won a free account today. Are we giving away an account?
Awesome, man.
No month. No. Today's it's just a month.
All right. Yeah,
just
you
a
got
month,
a free month and any indicator free. Congratulations, man.
Perfect. That works.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, right.
I got so much shit I got to do. So much shit I got to do. I don't feel the need to entertain anybody anymore. So you guys
we're good, everyone.
DM me later if you want to talk and still talk about my feelings. We can go over and how you can give me fellatio. We'll figure that out later. Just shoot me a DM. Yeah. With that being said, everybody have a great weekend. Hobby, what do you got?
Guys, thank you so much for joining us today. A hell of a power hour. I love these Fridays. They're very rare, but I love when they're Fridays like this. Guys, make sure you guys follow our socials, X, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube gang. Please like and subscribe. Make sure you guys hit that bell so you guys can join us whenever we do the morning show, whenever we do power hour starting Sunday. You guys in YouTube, I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, we'll be able to also start watching the happy hour, our brand new show for Asia session with Izzy and Coach. Please tip the staff. Make sure you guys show your love. They do a ton of work for us behind the scenes, helping every single one of you idiots out here. Make sure you guys give them a cup of coffee, buy them lunch. Guys, follow YouTube. Make sure you follow Logan's YouTube for his PHP videos. Then I got a bunch of quantum stuff on mine. Make sure you check that out as well if you want to learn about how each of us take our trades. Other than that, y'all, have a wonderful weekend. Take a break from the charts. At least Saturday, right? And then count down Sunday if you want. There's no more football. So you
all right, thanks everybody. Have a great weekend.
Bye.
All right, bye.
Not financial advice, but JJ's. Let's go.